Hello my friends, it's Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online, and in today's video I wanted to just very quickly film this fabric unboxing for you. I ordered a couple of things last week, it showed up today, and yeah, it's always a lot more fun to open it when you are here to see it with me for the first time. So let's do the little one first. This was something I ordered from Missouri Star, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's move this out of the way. I don't know if you know this about me. Probably don't know this about me unless you follow me on Instagram, but I'm like obsessed with chickens at the moment, and this is a really cute panel print. Oh, look at this, of chicken prints. Oh, they're so cute. And then you have this one. I do not know my breeds, so I don't know what they all are. So many beautiful roosters. Are they all different? Let's see. This is a nice panel. So I guess we get, let's see, did that one show up? Oh, they're so pretty. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I just thought it was so cute. I actually bought into a farm share at a local farm here for chickens, and so I have 4 hens that they're basically mine, but they live on the farm, and then I get to have my own eggs. So that just seemed like a really good idea. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with all things chicken. I'm not sure what to do with these, but I do like the little red and white polka dots. It's so cute. If you have been around for a while, I ordered some other chicken fabric from Missouri Star. It was way back last fall. And I'm looking at that stuff right now, and it's so cute. And when I get past Easter, I want to make those into placemats. But for right now, I have these new chicken panels, and I'm just going to put them in with the other chicken panels. Maybe I'll do a refresher on all of my chicken themed fabrics. I have to tell you, I got some fat quarters from Hobby Lobby. Oh, hang on, let me show you those. I found them, I had to look. It was in the chicken tub. Anyway, I got these, and I made them into napkins, and I put that on my Instagram, and people went bananas. So they don't have this in the store anymore. I got the last 4 on the website. So yeah, I think they're adorable. I wish I could get this in yardage because it's so cute. So I'm just going to put that in with the other chicken prints, and put them away for later. Okay, let's open this one. And I will say, this is stuff that I bought with my own money. This one, hold on, how do I get in here? You know, the shipping is so crazy now. Everything is just so tightly packaged. So you gotta be really careful getting into your stuff. I'm super excited about this. Oh God, it's already so beautiful. So this was, or this is another purchase from Stash Fabrics. Gosh, do I like Stash. Let's do this. I ordered from them at Christmas, and I had this just absolutely beautiful package that she sent to me. Oh, you know, I buy stuff and then I kind of forget what I picked out. So bad. Oh my gosh. You know, every day you get this doom and gloom news, and it's like, oh my gosh, you know, the world is going to run out of everything. And then I panic a little bit. And then I go buy more fabric. Oh, okay, I know what this is. Okay, hold on. We'll do that one last. So, I got a little bit of yardage, and then I got some fat quarters, of course. And I wound up getting this. Okay, so this is a Ruby Star print, and I just love it because it's hard-boiled eggs, and it just goes along with everything else right now in terms of eggs and chickens and all of that. So this will go into the little organizer with the other chicken stuff, because this is going to go with the other chicken prints, and I think it's so fun. I had seen this before and used some of this fat quarter in my big quilt project, and I just thought this was the cutest thing, and I'm telling you, it's really hard to find now. Oh, it's from Food Group. Okay, so this is a Food Group design, and it came out in 21, which means it probably didn't actually come out until sometime in 22, because everything was so delayed. But, yeah, I think it's called Hard Boiled. Anyway, I'll look up the name and put it on screen, and I just think it's so cute. So I got that, and then I got this, and this is from the Angels Onward collection, and I have some of her other pre-cuts from this collection, and I think I bought a little bit of yardage, but I just loved this, and I thought, you know, I'm going to make summer pillowcases with this, because, you know, it's the little sleepy unicorn, and I love it, and it's getting hard to find this now, so I grabbed it, and I think it's really, really cute. It's so pretty. I got, I think, 2.5 yards of it. And then I bought two more Arfil threads. I'm trying to build my thread collection up a little bit. I did see on a video where they said that sewing supplies are going to be rather short, which that was my prediction last year. So I'm trying to build out my thread and my quilt batting and all of that stuff so that I have it and I'm in good shape. So anyway, that's partly what this is about, is just trying to stock out things ahead so that, yeah, when the shortages come in, I still have plenty of projects that I can work on. Okay, this was what got me onto the Stash website, was this fat quarter collection. And this was like a super limited edition of older, maybe going out of print florals from Ruby Star, and it's just like a whole bunch of different collections, and I just couldn't resist it. You know, I love Ruby Star designs. A lot of these I have never seen. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I don't know what these are from. I have no idea. I just know that they're gorgeous, and they will get used in projects for sure. It's just all different collections, and it's full of all these different colors, which play so well together. Oh, it's just beautiful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think it was 24 different cuts for, I want to say it was $68 or something. but that's a pretty good deal. So yeah, I'm happy with it. And she cut a strap to tie everything together, and they're beautiful. And like I said, there are things in here I haven't seen before. Some of them are like from Elixir, I do recognize. Some from Honey, but a lot of them I am not familiar with. So that is a very exciting find. And the last thing that I picked up was this pattern. So this is the last thing that I picked up, and it's called the Little Fox Quilt. And I have been looking at this for a really long time, and she did have it as a printable pattern, which is what I really like. And I just love this. It's like it comes in 3 sizes, so crib, extended crib, and throw. And I believe it's squares and half square triangles for the most part. And then of course you have the eyes, which I'm going to assume is probably an applique. But they do rate it as being a beginner friendly. Anyway, I really love foxes, and I have looked at this for the longest time, and I thought, all right, I'm going to get it. And I feel like she had it on sale. Like there was a discount attached, so I decided to get it. And they have other animals. You can see that. So the fox, there's an owl, and then the raccoon, the owl. So I love owls, but he looks a little startled. So I don't know. I don't know about the feng shui of having something so startled looking on your wall, but the fox looks very zen to me, so that works. The raccoon looks very mischievous. So I settled for the fox, and I'm having this like big time orange moment. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm loving everything orange right now. So it's kind of fun. It's all solids, and I will wind up picking those from like the Bella solids when I'm ready and get what I need. And I have seen this as a kit, and I was tempted by the kit, but you know, when you get a kit, you get just enough, and it doesn't leave you any wiggle room for mistakes. And also the way that I like to cut my half square triangles, it does use a little bit more fabric. So whenever I personally go to make any pattern, I like to overbuy a little bit, because I know that I'm probably going to make a mistake here and there, and because the way I like to work, I use a little more fabric on those half square triangles. So I didn't want to run myself out of the fabric. But yeah, anyway, they're pretty nice. So the crib size is a 38 by 44, and then the throw is as large as a 50 by 56. So I'll have to figure out which one I want to do. I love them all. It's so interesting. You know, you make these projects, and for the throw size, the backing, they want 3.5 yards of fabric. You know, that's where this gets so expensive, is yardage on backing and that type of stuff. For the background, so you've really got 2 colors in your background. You've got like this white and then this little bit darker neutral. And those combined on the throw size is about 3 yards. The actual stuff for the fox itself, it's not that much. So I'll be straight up with you guys. The likelihood is that I'm going to get a Joanne and go on the quilting cotton and the sale part and look for their neutrals there, because I think they're pretty good, and just shop from there to do. And I guess that would also carry into this part of the fox, but I would do that to save a little bit of money. And by the orange and the tan. Was it orange, tan, and brown? Where's the brown? I don't even see that. All I see is orange and tan and the white and then a little bit of black. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling. So that's what I got. I got this fox quilt, Little Fox Quilt pattern. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have never seen a lot of these prints. They are beautiful. I have to call her and just tell her how gorgeous this is. Anyway, that specialty fat quarter bundle, and I'm sure they're sold out. And then the sleepy unicorns and the hard-boiled eggs. And they look pretty good together from a color standpoint. But anyhow, that's what I got. And yeah, I did have this I don't have a specific project in mind. That was just too good of a deal to miss out on because it's just so unique. This definitely, I have project in mind. This has project in mind. And then of course that is a project. So I think that's pretty good. This will just go into the good old Ruby Star stash. I'm trying to build that back up. I used so much of my fat quarters making that great big envelope quilt. So anyway, and I will be showing that to you soon. I think I have finally figured out a way that I can hang it to display it and get the pictures and then show it to you. So anyway, it's been a while coming. That's the video. That's what I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed seeing the fabric and the prints and all of that. And I will look forward to showing you projects to come. And yeah, oof, the fox, he's so cute. That'll be a summer project for sure. And yeah, stash. She honestly, really, really beautiful fabric shop. I love Stash. So that's it. Tell me what your favorite thing was. And are you as addicted to color and whimsical prints as I am? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing, friends!